Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to predict the charge on ions using the periodic table? Correct answer is to predict the charge on ions using the periodic table. Look at the group number for main group elements. Elements in group 1 typically form ions with +1 charge. Elements in group 2 have a 2 charge. Group 17 elements have a 1 charge and group 16 elements have a 2 charge. For transition metals, the charge can vary, but it often correlates with the group number. By understanding the periodic trends and group numbers of elements, you can predict the charge on ions more accurately.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.